We are on a massive cruise ship. What's up guys, my name is Tyler Johnson. I'm a content creator that loves pushing the limits of what's possible with the camera. Getting the camera into weird perspectives, putting it all into weird crazy rigs that gets the camera to do really unique and interesting camera moves. So the way I get into my creative process is I try to think about, okay, what would be the coolest shot? And what I like to call it is stacking creativity. So each product that I use, I figure out what is the absolute best way to use it. And while combining several products together, I'm able to create something that maybe someone hasn't thought of before. So one of the crazy ideas that I had, putting a camera on a zip line, but having it go through a car while it was driving. I love playing with 360 cameras mostly because you're able to spin the footage or reframe or stretch it in a weird way. In the last few years, the quality and everything that's coming out of these tiny little cameras is becoming so ridiculously good. The cards are now fast enough where you can actually record this crazy 5.7K footage onto a single microSD card. When I first started shooting, I was buying crappier, low-end gear. You won't realize how important that is until you're out shooting. You go to bend this and it snaps, or SD card might just stop rolling on you, mid-shot. So I use ProGrade as my main memory card company. Super excited to use them and have them as part of my kit. I've had cards where you drop frames or it just stops recording. Some cards overheat, whatever it might be. These cards have never let me down. I take them everywhere, all around the world, and I would definitely recommend them for any shoot that you're going to go on. There's so many possibilities when it comes to all this camera equipment that I wake up every day so inspired to see what's possible.